Ever wondered why we need routine rental inspections? Hi, I'm here with Joanne Danckwardt of One Agency JD Property Agents in Fairy Meadow. And Joanne, I want to know not just why we need routine rental inspections, but also how often should you be having rental inspections as well?
Okay, so every time we place a new tenant into a property, we would do our first routine in 3 months. And that's to check to see how they're keeping the property and making sure that they understand our requirements and where we want them, how we want them to maintain the property. If everything's good from then the next one is 6 monthly, and they're normally every 6 months, just to make sure that they're not overlooking anything and that they're keeping on top of things. However, it's not just about that. Routine inspections are about making sure that we maintain the property to the highest level that it can be, because we want to attract the best tenants when we have to replace them, but we also want to make sure that the owner's property, their investment property, appreciates in value over time. And you need to do that by maintaining it and keeping it to the standard that it should be. And unfortunately, houses over time, they do need to have things done to them.
Yes.
So, I was only talking to a client recently, and he's got a Untold terracotta roof, and I said they normally have a lifespan of about 30 years, and the house was built in 65 or something, and so it probably needs a new roof by now. They're the kind of conversations that you need to have, and you need to just make sure that you're making your owners aware of what will be coming up as well.
Yes.
Like in 2025, we need to have dual flushing toilets in all the investment properties.
Wow.
Yes, it's a water saving initiative that the government's bringing in, so they want things to be more energy efficient and to make sure that we don't waste our resources.
Yes.
And so, they're bringing that in 2025. So you've got to make sure that you're aware of what needs to be done in the properties and make sure that they're compliant with legislation as well. And if there's anything, fresh eyes when you go to look at a property, because if a tenant's living in there, then they can often overlook certain things or think, it's not really a bother to them.
Yes.
But when we go, oh no, we've got to get that sorted because it could turn out to be a bigger problem.
True. No, that's good. Perfect. Look, if you've got any questions at all about rental inspections, please contact Joanne here at One Agency JD Property Agents in Fairy Meadow. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.